Hi everyone. Today we'll see what is artificial intelligence, why is it needed and where it is used. Artificial intelligence refers to the ability of a computer or a robot or any other machine that can mimic the capabilities of a human mind, like learning from examples and experience, recognizing objects, understanding and responding to languages, solving problems and making decisions. Along with this, it adds other capabilities to perform functions that a human can perform. So, we can term artificial intelligence as a collection of different technologies that works together to enable machines to sense, comprehend, act and learn with human-like levels of intelligence. Next, looking into the purpose of artificial intelligence, from a technical point of view, the purpose of artificial intelligence is to aid human capabilities and help us make better and advanced decisions with far-reaching consequences. From a philosophical perspective, artificial intelligence has the potential to help humans to live more meaningful lives that is free from hard labor and help us in managing complex web of interconnected individuals, devices, companies, states and nations to function in a manner that is really beneficial to all humanity. Artificial intelligence in recent days is mostly used by companies to improve their process efficiencies, automate resource-heavy tasks, and to make business predictions based on hard data rather than their gut feelings. Currently, the purpose of artificial intelligence is shared by all tools and techniques that we have invented so far over the past 100 to 1000 years to simplify human effort and to help us make better decisions. Further, artificial intelligence have been acknowledged as a final invention. That is, a creation that would invent groundbreaking tools and services that would exponentially change how we lead our lives by hopefully removing strife, inequality and human suffering. But there is still a long way to attain those kind of outcomes. Let's wait and watch. Next, we'll see why artificial intelligence is needed. Artificial intelligence makes every process better, faster and more accurate. It helps in automating regular work that helps in increasing the productivity and thus enhances the effectiveness of human efforts. AI is needed for very crucial applications like identifying and predicting fraudulent transactions, faster and accurate credit scoring, and automating manually intense data management practices. Artificial intelligence improves the existing process across industries and applications and makes it future-proof. Further, AI also helps in developing new solutions to problems that are overwhelming to deal manually. Artificial intelligence is used in different domains to give insights into user behavior and give recommendations based on data. Everyone is talking about using AI today, right from boardrooms to factory floors, from call centers to logistics, and from government to venture capitalists. Moreover, individuals and businesses are also using AI for a wide range of benefits. Whether it's getting a digital assistant to automate tasks or virtual assistants or agents to solve a customer issue at the retailer end, AI technologies are helping people to do things more efficiently and effectively. We can notice AI technologies are behind voice-powered digital assistants, product recommendations, maps and direction, mobile check deposits, and many more. So we observe that AI is used in a broad range of applications in everyday life, like healthcare, finance, agriculture, entertainment, and many more. The use of artificial intelligence broadly falls under the real-time data processing category, which includes searching within data and optimizing the search to give the most relevant results, logic chains for if-then reasoning that can be applied to execute a string of commands which is based on parameters, pattern detection to identify significant patterns in large data set for unique insights, applied probabilistic models for predicting future outcomes, and so on. Artificial intelligence is used everywhere by large organizations to make an end user's life simpler and easier. Google's predictive search algorithm uses past user data to predict what a user would type next in the search bar. Similarly, Netflix uses past user data to recommend what movie the user might like to watch next, thus making the user hooked onto the platform and increasing the watch time. Facebook uses past data of the users to automatically give suggestions to tag your friends based on their facial features in their images. We'll continue to look into the other details regarding artificial intelligence in the forthcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video to be useful, kindly subscribe it and share it with your friends.